Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is a lovely and creative art. It has been used for many years to decorate clothes, fabrics and home decor ideas. Many women love embroidery because it is relaxing and very beautiful. Hand embroidery allows you to add colorful patterns and designs to simple fabric. With a needle thread and a little patience, you can create amazing artwork. Let's look at some popular hand embroidery designs. First is the floral embroidery designs. Floral designs are one of the most popular embroidery styles. Roses, daisies, and small flowers look beautiful on dresses, shirts, scarves, and pillow covers. Floral embroidery adds a soft and elegant look to fabric. Next is the leaf and nature design. Leaf patterns are small but very stylish. These designs often include branches, leaves, and small natural shapes. They look beautiful on tablecloths, cushion covers, and traditional clothing. Another lovely idea is the simple bordered embroidery design. Border designs are often used on sleeves, necklines, dupattas, and sarees. These patterns go along the edge of the fabric and give it a neat and decorative look. The traditional embroidery design is also very popular. Many cultures have traditional embroidery patterns that show history and culture. These designs often include detailed, shaped, and bright colors. They are commonly used on wedding dresses and special outfits. Another beautiful style is the letter or name embroidery. Some popular designs are names or small words on fabric. This make the item more special and personal. You can add names on baby clothes, handkerchiefs, or gifts. Now let's talk about some basic embroidery design. One common stitch is a running stitch. This stitch is very simple and perfect for beginners. It creates a neat line and is often used for outline. Another popular stitch is the chain stitch. The chain stitch looks like small loops connected together. It is often used for flower stems and decorative lines. The satin stitch is also very beautiful. This stitch is used to fill shapes like flowers, petals, and leaves. It makes the design look smooth and colorful. Hand embroidery is not only beautiful, but it is also a relaxing hobby. Many people enjoy embroidery because it helps them feel calm and creative. You can do embroidery in your free time and create wonderful handmade items. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.